He's not giving us a spirit of fear, but of power, love, and a what? A sound mind. A controlled person. Are you hearing what I'm saying? That this will really help you. Self-control. Self-control. Somebody can finish talking and you don't respond with the same frequency they are responding to, they are speaking to you. You step it down. So it's okay. Relax. Some people are so toxic. They want somebody. I saw somebody online that she left the relationship because the person is not beating her. I'm saying, you've not seen people, cases. She can't stand the peace. Some leave because they feel like that person is not for them. Like, you're too perfect, you're too good for me. You should find someone that is like you. 1, 2, you are too boring. So because you are peaceful, you're down there. I need someone up in my level of toxicity. Someone they can shout back, they can cry back, they can cry. Who that says and forgive ourselves, then we get deeper in love. You are sick. You are sick. There's problem. You enjoy fight. There is problem. Jesus is the Prince of Peace. Love peace. Amen. Say you are hearing what I'm saying. Love peace, oh. Love peace. We know you do, sir. Love peace. Just love peace. Love peace. Want peace all the time. All right? Love peace. Amen. So you're getting ready. Number 1, do what? Humility. The both of you, be humble. It means that you will find out some things that were not perfect about your own family you came from, about the way you were used to doing life. You will see that life is different in somebody else's. Are you following what I'm saying? Yeah. So be humble. Number 2, we said what? Love for God. And a sincere heart. Teachable. The fear of God, very important. Very, very important. Very important. The person may not be perfect, but let the person at least fear God. All right? Let the person fear God. Let the person fear God. Let the person fear God. As you said, these parents don't raise their children for marriage, as it were. They raise them for themselves. So that child, the parents are used to that lifestyle, that individual. They are not thinking of the person they will marry when they are raising a child. If not, they would have known that these weaknesses will be a challenge for my child when they enter into a house that has this kind of dynamics. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, but they're not thinking of that. That they might end up with a traditional man. So most of all the issues that will happen will now be an issue of adjusting because of the way each person was raised. Are we together? Yeah, I'll just touch maybe 1 or 2 from our own experience that might bless you. That will bless you. Example of what I'm saying. Amen. Number 1. So let me give a background to it. We had a heated argument a couple of days to our marriage. And the argument was so tense, we didn't talk for about 24 hours. The 24 hours or 48 hours, the wife. For about 48 hours, we didn't talk for 48 hours. So it was a bad one. Do you imagine when wedding is on Saturday, right? And I think Monday or Tuesday or so. I've not spoken for about 24, 48 hours. And it's all personality differences. A guy wants to reach solution without conversation. A lady must converse before solution. She does not believe that there's solution until we have what? I've talked. And if we will talk about it smiling, it will be easier for the guy, right? But no. Bam, bam, bam. And the guy does not, all he wants in his life is peace. That's all. He was born for peace. However, I guess he does not care. Let's just have peace. Let's just have peace. I'm saying if you bring peace to the table, you will look more beautiful than you actually are. At least one man is confirming what I'm saying. Other men, they are looking. Men, which one do you want? Beauty or peace? Are you sure? Are you very sure? If you must pick one, I know you like 5 things, but at the end of the day, which one will you pick? If they say you must pick only one, peace is peace. It's peace. It's peace. I didn't even hear one beauty. It's peace. So why would a lady focus so much on looking attractive and forget the part that really makes you attractive? Peace. Peace. That makes him not to stay outside longer than he should stay. Because there's enough trouble outside. How can he prefer outside trouble? You're not getting what I'm saying. He rather have his boss shout on him. Have people telling weary on the road. He prefers it. There's so much peace. From the restaurant lady that is saying, how much, if you are not buying, leave this place. That is a lot of peace coming from there than the out. Because once he enters that house, his blood pressure was 120. It's 180. You know why it's entering him? Because he loves you. If it's numb, it won't affect him again, right? Yeah, just talking, So if it's still paining him, it's because he loves you. Never forget this thing I'm saying. If he's hurt, if he's angry, just know that for both parties, if they are hurt or they are angry, is love. It's just not managed properly. Is what? Love. It's love. It means they are still alive. The worst case scenario is when a person is what? Numb. If you like, sleep with somebody. If you like, don't sleep with somebody. We are all right. At that point, it's very bad. Some of your parents go to that point, right? Yes or no? Yeah. The ladies are entering the house and going out. You grew up seeing it. Mommy is not worried. Just don't do it on our bed. Are you getting what I'm saying? Yeah, it has gotten to that point for marriages. But if you are listening to me now, it will never even smell that point. Shout amen for your future. Mercy will always triumph. Yeah, don't be afraid. I just heard God say that to somebody. Don't be afraid. I'm waiting for you at the end. God has gone ahead of you. You can't fail.